So we are about to go eat lunch. I think we'll have Japanese ramen. So the kids are at school. So today I kind of put on makeup because on my last vlog I was just so barefaced and I was like, oh my god, even when I was editing. So 오늘은 화장을 좀 했습니다. My cousin will be meeting us there and then also our friend. So we're gonna head out now. So today I'm wearing all Nike except my bag. Okay. I was gonna work out this morning, but oh my god. It's gonna be like 80s and 70s starting from this week. Originally, we were gonna go eat Coco Ichiban for lunch, but it happens to be closed today. Of course, it's always closed. Like any type of restaurants are closed whenever I choose to go that day. But yes, this place was like a Korean restaurant that we used to always eat at when we lived in Korea because it was in the Gimpo Mall, and we also ate it at Japan. My cousin's home.
코코이치방으로 와 열었어.
아 오케이.
웨일리스 오는데 한 2-30분 걸릴 것 같아. 사람 많네.
오케이.
일로 와.
우후. It's
Okay,
open.
change of plans. So it is open. It's weird because Google Maps says it was closed, but then on Google review it said it was open today. So
No. Yelp said it was closed, and then Google said it was
I checked
open.
Google and it was open, so I told my cousin let's go. And he was like, no, it's closed because he was on Yelp, but I guess it's open because he's there now because we were going to eat at a Japanese ramen place right next to there. So I guess since he went there early, he stopped by to make sure it was open. So he said he's on the waiting list. There's still like 20-30 minute wait.
They just opened.
Yeah. I think it opened like a few days ago. So even during the weekend, there was like a huge line. We ate, like honey garlic chicken the other day, and it was really good because Honu's really picky. So Aiden's always excited about like getting Sana's opinion on his food that he made. But then Sana agreed that was good, so he was really proud of his garlic chicken. So maybe we will go that today. Oh my goodness! So I see a line already here at Coco Ichiban. We just parked and we're walking over. I see my cousin and my friend.
안 나오려고 도망갔어.
Why?
아니 길을 잘못 갔어.
It's my cousin into photography. And my friend. She's a florist. So if you guys need a florist, go check out her. I am styling. So there's 8 tables ahead of us. So I'm just waiting inside Juani's car because our car is like behind the building. And the guys are waiting outside because there are no rows and she has 2 car seats back here. Thank you.
Chicken cutlet. So you want to change your spice level to 2?
No, I want to add the vegetable. So in Korea, this was actually pink, but I hope it tastes the same.
빨리 해놔.
Pork level 2? Level 3 pork
팀들이
난 괜찮은 거 같아.
튀김 아까 그 누나 남편. 시금치 카레 이런 거.
Guys, I'm so full. It was actually pretty good. It tasted just like the curry that we ate in Korea. Like all my friends that came here, they tried Coco for the first time. They're like, it was okay, but since I've always had this curry when we were in Korea, it tastes the same. Right, Oppa?
Yeah. 맛있어.
It was good. For us, it was good. In Korea, I don't think they had the naan. But then I really liked the garlic naan that we got today. It went really well together. Now we're gonna just go to this Korean coffee shop that's nearby here. It's like 5 minutes away, but I heard this place is also very popular right now. What is it called?
Coffee U.
Like Y-O-U?
No, U.
Like the letter U?
Yeah.
It's called Coffee U. Cafe U?
Coffee.
Coffee U. So
Logo's so cute.
let's try this place out. I love it. A lot of new places are opening now here in Dallas. It's already 1. We have to go pick up the kids soon.
MDX 저거 누나 거 아니야? 맞는 거 같은데.
We saw one of our friends, 효주 언니 at Coco Ichiban, and Yongchang has a feeling that she's here too.
여기 있을 것 같은데. 문 안 열었어? 열었네.
It's called Coffee U. 효주 언니!
이게 똑같다. 다른
I'm gonna get an Americano. Muffins and stuff.
귀엽다.
Oh, they sell like sandwich. There's their signature coffees.
그러면은 추가해봤자 9만 원일 것 같은데. 그 앞에는
So we have about 50 minutes until we have to pick up Sonu. So we don't want to go all the way home and have to come back out. So then we're just gonna stop by Hobby Lobby here and just like look around for 30 minutes. And Hobby Lobby. Fall stuff. So cute, wow.
대박.
He's gonna get some stuff for her studio. I guess he's trying to spell out 1 for like 1-year-old photo shoots.
It used to be $34. Now it's like $8. Here, $8.
Why was it so expensive?
I don't know. It was 34.
Whoa, it's already all Christmas. I'm so happy. All the Christmas ornaments are up there. So we got a lot of our posters and stuff here. You know, the ones that are hanging in our media room. How pretty. It's so like cozy type of design.
$300.
With the 30% off?
Yeah. Final price.
Wow, that's so pretty. Okay, we have about 10 minutes left, so just gonna walk around a little bit and then pick up Sonu. I'll try it. So Sonu already ate a snack. I made him an egg sandwich. What do you want for them? You put that in your backpack. What do you want? For snack.
뭐 먹지? 그저께 내가 비빔면 먹었거든? 근데 물 맛이 났어.
Good morning.
Okay, by the way,
Ooh.
I can notify you when there's a severe weather alert.
Cool. When I say Alexa, it turns on the lights. So here's all the posters and stuff that we bought a long time ago from Hobby Lobby. Oh, I forgot we could turn on the lights. Cool. Wow. 불 켜니까 뭔가 더 멋있는데? 와.
엄마 저번에 이것저것 로봇
Is your brother taking a shower? You did? Okay, so today's workout day. Okay, so Yoni finished the snack and I changed into a t-shirt. I'm just gonna work out. Work out in the garage. Shorts. I'm gonna do arms and then some squats. there's so much mosquitoes. I'm gonna get bit. I so actually got 2 mosquito bites while I was outside working out. So I used the machine, the equipment. So I just have like some dumbbell light exercises left. So I just brought the dumbbells into the house. I'm just gonna work out here. I'm finally done with the workout. It was getting hot, so I had to take off my blue shirt. I have to eat my protein now. I like to just eat it in this milk. I just have a scoop of this protein, and then I also have to make rice. We have to go to Target to buy some stuff for dinner, so I'm gonna cook the rice before we head out. This is my favorite brand, and I like to use the tenderloins for the chicken tenders. Guys, this is so good. This is my favorite sauce. So this is like a barbecue slash like teriyaki sauce, but we love it. So we actually get the huge one from Costco. I mean, we finish it because we eat it with everything, like with chicken and beef. But other than that, they have different types. This is the one we always eat, like the original. Tana actually loves this. The chicken sticks. Oh, I want to try this bibigo Korean chicken fried rice, and then the Korean mandu. About ice. Okay, Aiden's gonna start cooking now. I'm gonna take these clothes off the rack real quick because I don't want it to smell like oil. So some of the clothes that we don't want to shrink in the dryer, we just kind of like hang dry on this rack. So I'm just gonna grab these. Hunter said he has some homework today. Is it in this folder? 이거 뭔데? 뭐 해야 되는 거야? Okay, so just gonna use his laptop to do his homework. I don't know why, but he loves this spot on the stairs. It's his favorite spot to play and to do his homework. Okay.
이걸 빼야 안 찌겨.
So he just used this.
Instead of like seasoning and flour, you can use
This is already all seasoned, the chicken seasoning.
from Korean market.
Why is it so orange? Is this orange?
It's seasoned. like paprika 같은 거 다 들어있어.
Oh.
The powder
So
is
did you put water?
a little bit of water just to make it look like this. Thickener, dry powder 넣으면 돼.
So it's the same powder, but then this is like dry powder. So after he mixes it with water a little bit, he re-dips it into the dry powder. So it's the same one. And then you just fry it?
I'll teach you how to make sauce. This is honey garlic sauce. Okay, 1 spoon sugar. 2 and half soy sauce. And this is medium, what is cooking wine, 4 tablespoons. Oops. 2, 3, 4. Okay. And 1. Any type of honey. And 4 물엿. 물엿 is corn syrup. Like that's it. Be back.
Potatoes, and now he's frying it. Pan fry it a little bit and add some butter and cheese. So you do this and then just put the sauce on.
That's how you make the KFC style.
Ah. Sauce is watery right now, but then because of the corn syrup and the sugar, he said when it starts boiling, it's gonna get thicker. Some Parmesan cheese and what's the green thing called? Parsley. Okay, put some sesame seeds. Some Caesar salad really quick. This is my favorite crouton because it's not that hard. And then my favorite Caesar dressing.
아이스 아메리카노.
그냥 줘도 선우, you need to start eating, not playing game now. Why?
밥 먹어야
Come eat the
돼.
chicken. 됐다. 김선우, come eat.
웃어. 목강정인가?
So good. It tastes just like the BHC honey garlic chicken. It was so buttery. You guys have so much cleaning up to do. I'm gonna clean all this up now. It's gonna probably take me like 30 minutes to do all dishes and clean the countertop, and then Aiden has to clean the stove because it's so oily since he spilled some oil and stuff. I think he usually uses like baking soda and stuff to clean it. Clean. I did wash all of these. I'm just waiting for it to dry a little bit. Finally finished cleaning. I'm like sweating. Sonu is done with his homework, so he's playing a little bit of game. It's 8:30, no 8:20. So I'm gonna quickly wash up, and then the kids are gonna get ready for bed. Do you want to read a book or play one game before we sleep?
플레이 원기.
Play one game? Okay.
Yes.
Which one?
Guess who?
Guess who? Where is it? Can 3 people play that?
너.
There's only 2 people? Okay, then I'll watch. 디링.
찢어진 것도 있고 다른 것도 있고. 오케이. 솔직히 이 아니야.
Okay, guys. Good night.
Good night, everybody. Everybody, good night.
Everybody.